Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now 8 multiply 1 is equal to 8. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Okay, here multiplication and division both have equal priority, and addition and subtraction also both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is this multiplication. So is equal to 6 plus 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10 minus 4. Now addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this addition. So 6 plus 10 is equal to 16 minus 4. Now 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, so the correct answer is 12. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.